morning from Trap. It is probably like 7 o'clock, 7:30, something like that. Got up there around 6:30. Well, my dad was up. I told him to wake me up at 6, but he woke me up around just before 6:30. Ate breakfast, had a cup of coffee, and now we're ready to go. Have a look at our 12 nets there in the bay. It's quite a ways from here, so we're going to take off early. Doesn't get daylight here till around 9 a.m. So we still have a while until it gets daylight. Look at this guy. Should be a good day. It's only like, I don't know, but it really warmed up. We're like -10, maybe even -5. It probably will be -5 by after lunch there. It's warm out here, bye. Look at that cup. Look at that cup. Bushway. Bushway. Hot, boy, hot. Saskatchewan weather. One day it's freezing. Next day it's boiling. I remember that happened to us a few years ago. Me, Justin, and we went out fishing. It was like -30, some -40. We were hiding away from the wind. It was too cold because the wind was blowing. Next day it was like +2. Crazy. He's clean. They're not dead. Oh, 4 inches, 5. Holy mama, boy. Look at that. That's the 4th one. There's the 5th. Wow. And here's your average. Damn.
Yo. Yeah. One green, one and green like that? Yeah. That white one too, huh? Yeah. Oh, that one, the seed is hard. Ah? The seed. Oh. There's different seed for that, huh? Yeah. You'd think. I think. My brother Paul really good on the
Here we go.
Oh, fella, that's it. Huh? You feel out the young guys, huh? Yeah. Fella, government warned them, huh? Yeah.
She's a blowing out there. Just got back to the cabin. Well, nets, and we didn't fill up the toboggan. Not quite, nearly. Thank God for the last 6. The first 6 nets that we looked at, there wasn't too many fish. But I guess that's a good day. Whew, long days. I have to go home and look for Brandon. He's supposed to meet me at the plant. The boys were phoning me there. I have a nice pike there and 2 walleye. Brandon and I have to have a photo shoot. I guess they're taking our picture, and when you go to the store, maybe wherever you live, maybe it'll be in a store near you. But the fillet bags, our picture will be there, holding the fish, walleye, pike, whatever. However it turns out, it will be on the bag. Me and Brad. I think it's just me and Brad, I'm not even sure. Forgot my camera was still on. Booba? You want me to give you an interview here, Paul?
Give him an interview.
About Kayas? You want to tell a story?
And he used to fish with the horses.
He said he used to fish with horses, eh?
Dogging.
Paul,
Used to be like -40. He said it to cover up his horse with a blanket. It's cold, eh?
or that's all baloney now. Everyone always laughs at Paul and he fell in the water in the canoe. Fucking slippery, boy. He said.
Think that's fucking so slippery though, eh?
I took
There's
off.
that kind of the fucking harvester. I went into that. I just fucking
I took off on the canoe. I looked back. Paul was sitting there in his gitch. No extra clothes.
One of those guys from the African tribes.
Tim ganun po. My lens is dirty, boy. Needs a cleaning. I just got to the cabin probably an hour ago. It was still dark. Waited for JB to pull in. Probably got there like 20 minutes after I did. I can't go sleep in town, boy. I think I went to bed at 1 o'clock. Got up at 5:30. When I'm at the cabin, I go to bed at like 10. Sleep till 7, 6. But it's gonna be a good day.
That'll be enough for you? Yeah.
That's supper for two, eh?
This too?
You have to tell her to come over.
How come this is good to DB? With potatoes? Where do you look? No, because it's too...
Bring that sucker out, Leo. Let's see. Ready?
I'll put it here, please.
Wow.
That's why it's big.
Yeah. Back to the bay. Second look at those nets. We just by pulled them out. We'll have to see what's in them now. Now why is that toboggan under the snow? It's because there's fish in there. Like just over half a toboggan from yesterday. We have a bit of fish in the other sleigh, so we're gonna take that fish and pack this toboggan good, and that'll be a good load to take home. Take it to the plant, but tomorrow now we have 9 nets to pull out. Only the second lift. Not enough fish. No pike, I should say. We're just gonna close up camp, take our gear to town, take everything, nets, auger, jigger, all the tools, and we're fishing elsewhere. Halfway Lake is done for now. Probably go fish over there for like a month or so. Maybe until March. Not even March. I have to go to Alberta here in February on the 19th for a week, and then once I come back we'll probably come fish out here. If everything works out. That's the plan. But we're on the hunt still for those darn pikes.
Hey, bud.
I'm good, eh?
Good, bud.
Talking to my camera while you work.
I know, but good for your views. Good. There you go, bud. Fish are good.
Should be good.
Yeah, trust me.
Hercules, eh?
Hercules, dégelé. My back.
Those have some weight. Wow. That's what we're looking for. Pike roe. I guess you'll chuck them in here and all the packing them, good, eh?
Yeah.
Go on the other side and toss them. And toss them. Just try not to make me
Smack you with a fish.
4 bags of roe and a toboggan full of fish. That's how it should be every day though. 1 toboggan a day. But this is from 2 days, 24 nets, so that's no good. No good, trap, no good. And that's the way you do her. She's ready to go. Black Bay, keep stopping, had a drink with the boys, some coffee, and that's about it. But I can't wait for I got here and they just pulled in, so I thought I'd wait. We'll go to the plant together now. Here's the old logs I was talking about. Very nice, very nice. Off to the plant.
Hey, Coach.
Oh yes, oh yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 tubs. 4 bags a row.
You must bullet.